purchased the Infinity Portable Convection Oven, and I'm doing an unboxing for you all and what I thought personally of it myself. It comes with an instructional manual. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you more explicit details on this particular booklet. As you will see, it comes with a safety handle locked in place when you put it to the far back. Also, you'll see a dial on the top there that shows you how the timer on it, plus in the front of it is set the degrees of what you're cooking at. It comes with a metal tong so you can remove the meat safely. The next thing I removed is two metal racks. The one on the left is the lower shelf and the one on my right is the top shelf. The main thing that it comes with is a huge glass bowl that basically is a convection oven. What I'm taking out next from the box is the stand which holds the whole unit. Now I'm going to assemble the whole convection oven. I'm trying out the racks to see what they look like. There's the lower rack, and then I'm going to take it out and put the taller rack. And I did notice you can put the two racks together. However, the space between the lower and the higher rack doesn't have too much room. And there you have it. It's all complete. Okay, here's the manual. It actually contains a lot of things in it, and I wanted to just point that out because it shows you everything in it. It has the safety of it, how to cook with it, many things in it. As you see, I'm flipping through the pages, and it's a good key to read the whole book first before you start using it. Then it comes with a 1-year warranty right here, and at the back of the book, it has tons of recipes, like a lot of different recipes that I'm going to use, and I kind of highly recommend that you try them first, the exact recipe, before you do your own recipe.